Let's explore the Mobile Modular 3D Visualizer, your all-in-one tool to design a customized modular classroom building built for learning. Start by choosing your building layout. Need just a few classrooms? Or a full suite with a teacher's lounge, front office, or conference room? Simply drag and drop to create the ideal floor plan for your school. Once your layout is set, it's time to furnish your space. Arrange traditional student desks, collaborative group tables, and teacher workstations. Design administrative areas with front office setups and lounge seating. Everything comes together in real time so you can see your learning spaces take shape. Now, step inside to experience your classroom building. Use the interactive map and hotspots for easy navigation. Take your time to ensure every classroom, lounge, and office supports the way your school operates. Once the inside feels just right, step outside to make it your own. Choose exterior colors and siding options to reflect your school's identity. Swap ramps and entry options to fit your site layout. Add or remove awnings and see every change update instantly in your 3D view. When your building is ready, finalize your design to receive an instant quote. With the Mobile Modular 3D Visualizer, designing your next classroom space is simple, engaging, and fun. Start building today.